Kia ora koutou, my name is Suzanne and today I'm at the AC Bass with the Pelican Pool and Spa hoist. I am the operations team lead and we are lucky enough to have these hoists now based at the Turangi Turtle Pools and the AC Bass. Today what we're going to do is we're going to model how we use these hoists. So what we've got is we've got James and Rahiri. Rahiri is going to help James over to the seat. Those side bars will come down. And there is a bout that will go around James. This is to make sure he's nice and secure. Rahiri will now go over to the remote control piece. And down. So at the moment what Rahiri is doing is she's pushing the button to lower James down into the water. He's going to go down nice, gently and slowly. This pool is 2 meters, so obviously we don't want to lower him all the way down. From here, he would be able to take his belt off, or if not, he had a carer, so we want to stop right now. And then from here, James is able to go for a swim.